اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Iqra with Iqra. Alhamdulillah, today's Quran recitation is going so well because you are calling in and giving it your best shot at reading. And do bear in mind the rules that you have learned from Iqra with Iqra. I hope, and I emphasize this point so much. Why? Because the more emphasis there is on a particular rule or a particular thing that you need to do, hopefully you will do it, and you will make sure that these rules are properly written down and you are going over them. Have a rough book during the show and have a neat book in which you then copy your rough work into neat, and you have all the rules in order. You know where your makharij rules are, you know where your noon sakin tanween rules are, you know where your mim sakin rules are, you know where your ghunna rules. Everything is in an order, and make yourself like an index if you want to, and have in this page I've got this rule, in that page I've got that rule. So number your pages as well, so that book becomes yours, and whenever you need to refer to any rules, you simply go to the index. This page I have the rules for the characteristics in the letters. Simple. And that's what I want you to work towards, inshallah. Let's move on to viewers and let's hear more chapters from you.